By practicing these words and phrases, you'll improve your spoken English and feel more confident in conversations. Remember to use them in context and practice regularly. Here's a comprehensive list of spoken English vocabulary that can help you communicate effectively in everyday conversations, presentations, or casual chats. These words and phrases are categorized for better understanding and usage. Starting with greetings and basic phrases, these are essential for any conversation. Use hello or hi to start a friendly chat. Time-specific greetings like good morning or good evening are also important. Asking how are you or what's up shows you care about the other person's well-being. Nice to meet you is perfect for first-time meetings, and long time no see is great for reconnecting with someone. Expressing gratitude is crucial in any language. Simple phrases like thank you or thanks show appreciation. For stronger gratitude, you can say thanks a lot or thank you so much. To express deep gratitude, use I really appreciate it. Acknowledging someone's kindness with that's very kind of you, or promising to return a favor with I owe you one can go a long way. Apologizing sincerely can mend relationships. A simple, sorry, works, but for a more sincere apology, say, I'm really sorry. Casual admissions like, my bad, are also common. For formal apologies, I apologize for, is appropriate. Assure someone it won't happen again with, it won't happen again. Asking for help is a sign of strength. Use, can you help me, for a polite request. Could you do me a favor, is more formal. Specify your needs with, I need some help with, or, would you mind? To ask for someone's time, say, do you have a minute? Agreeing and disagreeing politely is key to good communication. Use, I agree, or, that's true, to show you share the same opinion. Strongly agree with, exactly. Politely disagree with, I disagree, or express doubt with, I'm not sure about that. Acknowledge and counter with, that's a good point, but. Sharing your thoughts is important. Start with, in my opinion, or I think, for casual expressions. Share your viewpoint with, from my perspective, or express personal feelings with, I feel like. For honesty, use, to be honest. Making suggestions can be collaborative. Propose ideas with, how about, or why don't we? Suggest actions with, let's, or possibilities with, maybe we could. For ideas, use, what if we? Expressing likes and dislikes helps others understand you better. Show strong liking with, I love, or enthusiasm with, I'm a big fan of. Express pleasure with, I enjoy. Dislike something with, I don't like, or strong dislike with, I can't stand. If something isn't for you, say, it's not my thing. Clarifying is essential for understanding. Ask, what do you mean? Or, could you repeat that? If you need something said again. If you didn't hear, say, I didn't catch that. For further clarification, use, can you explain that again? Confirm with, are you saying that? Daily conversations are filled with common phrases. Use, no problem, to say something is okay. Agree or confirm with, sure thing, or, of course. Politely decline with, not really. Hesitantly agree with, I guess so. Ask for time to decide with, let me think about it. Expressing surprise or excitement adds emotion to conversations. Show amazement with, wow, or disbelief with, no way. Admire with, that's incredible. Express shock with, I can't believe it, and excitement with, this is amazing. Talking about the future shows your plans and hopes. Share future ideas with, I'm planning to, or I'm thinking about. Express desires with I hope to. Talk about likely actions with I'll probably. Show excitement with I'm looking forward to. Talking about the past helps share experiences. Start with yesterday, for recent events. Specify time with last week per month per year. Talk about past habits with I used to. Describe experiences with it was amazing. Recall memories with I remember when. Idioms and expressions add color to language. Wish luck with break a leg. Describe ease with it's a piece of cake. Be precise with hit the nail on the head. Finish with let's call it a day. Pass responsibility with the ball is in your court. Closing conversations politely leaves a good impression. Say goodbye with see you later or take care. Wish well with have a great day. Suggest keeping in touch with let's stay in touch. End casually with catch you soon. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Also, subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on more awesome content like this. And hey, if you know someone who'd love this video, share it with them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.